Hey friends, how are you? We are here to do a little bonus vacation stuffing. Super duper exciting. I'm going to tell you about all the money and we are going to get right into it. Which binder? I think it's this. I am a little bit stuffy. You guys, today's Friday, March 13th. Tomorrow is the day that I'm going to see Rainbow Kitten Surprise in Philly. I am so excited, but I am stuffy. And if I get any sicker than this by tomorrow, I'm going to be very upset. I'm not going to not go. Duh. But yeah. I'm just hoping that this holds out, whatever it is, or that this is the worst of it. It's just stuffiness right now. So we'll see. If you see my nails here, these are the nails that I'm going to put on probably after this video. I just didn't put them on yet. So just if you're wondering about that, yeah, there you go. And okay, so let's get into it. So I have some money here. It's like in a couple different piles. And we're going to take a look at it together. So the first thing I have here is $350, okay? This is going towards, as you could see, vacation. And this $350 actually came from Christmas and my husband and mine and my husband's wedding anniversary. We got all of this money between Christmas and our anniversary from his parents. And we just like never spent it. Our anniversary was in December and it's mid-March. And we never spent any of it. So it's just all going to go towards the cruise, which is excellent. So what I'm going to do is add this $350 onto my tracker. And I will tell you, well, hold on, let me do this first because I can't multitask. I will tell you that this is already spent. I want to just like put this in here though and add it up just to make sure I have the correct amount, but I think I do. But we're going to end up taking it back out in a couple minutes. And I'm going to tell you why. So right now, 200, 400, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50, 1,000, 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 420, 4, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1496. Yes. Okay. So 1496 in there. But you guys know, I also need to add this onto my other little tracker. This is where I'm just keeping track of what I need to save for vacation, how much more I should say. So that was $350. So we're going to subtract that. So that's perfect. $350 is going to cover the internet package. And then the rest is going to go towards like one of these other expenses. So now we're down to needing $414. And let me just put Christmas and anniversary money. Okay, so we're good with that. Now, in addition, I also have $200 more. And this is coming from... Okay, so this 200 is coming from my supplemental coverage. I've told you guys this now a couple times. I have critical illness, accidental injury, and hospital care plans, 3 separate supplemental coverage plans. I get $50 per person per plan for doing wellness exams, so an annual dental cleaning, annual physical, all of that. And this is from both of my kids. They both had their dental cleanings and so yeah, so I filed the claims for them. So I actually was owed $300. I only got $200. The other $100 is coming to me. There was some type of error with, I don't know, the claim or something. That is now being rectified, so I will actually be getting another $100, but for now I definitely already have the 200, so that's what we're gonna do. So we're gonna put 200 more in here, just stacking it up here. So let's put another 200. So I added that here on this little tracker, and then let's also add it here on this tracker. And basically what all of this is doing is this is getting us so super close to fully funding this, like so close. So that would put us at $16.96, and I'm not going to count it again. Okay, so that is that. Now what I did was I had already booked, I told you guys, the additional drink package. So that was $200 more. I previously purchased the $300 one a while ago. I, put that on the credit card and had since paid that off. That was all paid. But then I told you guys I decided I was actually going to do the $500 drink package, which they give you an extra $100. So I'll actually have $600 towards drinks. So because I had previously paid the $300 and that was already paid off, I only needed to pay an additional $200. So $200 was on my credit card, and then I did go ahead and book that internet package for $240 because I told you guys, we were on the fence about getting it, but then when we realized we had that $350 just sitting around not being used, we're like, okay, well, we'll use this for the internet. So that was $240. So I have $440 on my credit card right now. So I'm going to take that out of here actually, let me take some of the smaller bills. 1, 2, 3, 4, 20, 40. So I am just going to go ahead and pay that credit card off. I actually already paid the $350 because I had deposited that in the bank. So I'll just go ahead and pay the other $90. And then that'll be paid off, which will be excellent. There won't be any interest or anything like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 20, 40. So $440. And if you hear that background noise, that's my daughter. So I'm sorry. Okay, so $440 is coming out of here. And I know it's kind of silly to put it in and then immediately take it out, but this is the way my brain works. This is easier for my brain, and so that's the way I'm doing it. So that should leave us $12.56. So 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 50, 800. Let me actually take these two 50s for a 100. So that's 800, 20, 40, 60, 80, 9, 20, 40, 60, 80, 1000, 20, 40, 60, 80, 11, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 1200, 10, 20, 30, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12, 56. Perfect. So 12.56 in here now, and everything is paid off of the credit card. And we only need $214 more, you guys, to go. So that is excellent. If I can get more before we go, I will. I'm going to keep saving in here because we're going to do a family vacation this year as well. But it feels super duper nice to know that this is almost fully funded. Okay, so I think we're done with this. So let's put this away. And then I have some other money. And let's see. So I have this birthday card. This was from my in-laws, and I got $50 cash. And I literally forgot about it. Like, it has been sitting over here on my desk and getting buried. Like, I would put papers on top of the card and then just forget about it. But I'm like, oh, you know what? I'm just going to stuff that. So $50. I think I'm going to put that all here in Noah for June. So I'm going to color in 10, no, not 10. I almost said 10 5s. I'm going to color in 5 10s. This challenge right here is my rock and roll savings. It's a digital download in my shop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have to do that so that I could not have to think while I'm talking. So this is a digital download in my shop. It has 3 downloads or 3 challenges. It has this one, which equals $450. another one which is $260, and then a blank one that you could add your own amounts, or you could use it as a roll and save. So that is that, and I'm just using this because it's like music themed, and this is what I just am using to save up for the concert. We did actually go ahead and book our hotel room for this, for Noah. The tickets, once again, are already paid for, and now we booked the hotel room, so that's paid for. So I'm not going to need $450 of spending money. I'm just not. But it's fine to just save up however much I can before we go. And even if I save up the full $450 and don't end up using it, then, you know, it can come back and be stuffed into something else. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Perfect. So now in here, we have 50, 70, 90, and 100. Our first $100 in there, so that's perfect. And then the last thing is, we are going to stuff some money into vacation. So for the last money, money all over the place, I have $40 here. This is coming from a bank account buffer. You guys know I like to I like to save my bank account buffers, because otherwise if I don't, I spend it. So we're going to put $40 here into this challenge, and hopefully I can finish this challenge before we go. I still have about a month, a little over a month till we go. So I think I can. But we're going to make some progress towards this today. So we're going to put in $40. This is from Liz over at Liz and Less. And I only have 2 stickers to put on today. I don't think I'm going to put any of the stickers on here. I'm going to just kind of cross out some of these numbers. So we have 3 oh, you know what? We have 4 10s here. 1, 2, 3, 4. I probably should just do that, right? Yes, that's my daughter playing with her dollhouse. So sorry if you just heard a toilet flushing. But I also kind of want to do the 15 because that's the biggest number on here. So yeah, I think I'm actually going to do that. So I'm going to do the 15, and then I have a 5, so that's 20. Another 10 is 30, and another 10 is 40. So pretty anticlimactic because I didn't put any stickers on, but that's okay. We got some big numbers out of the way. So we have 1 10, 2 10s. So we have 20, 36. So 36 more dollars. So I should definitely be able to get this finished before we go, which is excellent. One other thing I wanted to tell you guys, I actually got a bonus from work. I do get one every year. It's not like a guaranteed bonus. It's like if you qualify based on, I don't know, your work performance, but I have gotten it every year. And that was about $1,700, but I actually just put that into savings because I really want to stuff it, right? Like I want to stuff a bunch towards sinking funds and all that, but also I really want to like go to Out of the Blue Fest. You guys know this big savings right here for Noah Khan, and that's next January. So I may not stuff that for a while. I may just see, because my sinking funds are okay. Of course they could use a ton more money in them, right? Who's can't? But they're okay. Like I have, you know, money for what I need. So for now I'm keeping it in the savings. If I decide I want to put it in sinking funds or put it towards debt or do whatever, you know, I can. But also I just have it like kind of in a holding pattern right now in the savings account till I fully decide what I'm going to do with it. So that's that. Okay. That $40 we put in here, we're not adding onto our tracker yet because I'm not adding money onto here until we actually finish the challenge. But this challenge is $200 and we only need 214. So this is basically going to fully fund our vacation fund. In addition, I still have that $100 I just told you guys about that I'm getting for my payments at work, the supplemental. So, I mean, we're definitely going to have what we need. But maybe that $100 that I'm going to get can go towards something else. Maybe I'll put it towards Noah or something else. So we'll see. So we have 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 40, 50, 5, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4. 164, and I think I said I needed like, 164. 174, 184, 194. Yeah, $36. So perfect. So that jives with exactly what we need, and I am super excited. I am so happy that we just had that money sitting around. Like, we'll get money and it just doesn't get used. Like, every year for Christmas, our in-laws get us a Visa gift card for, is it $300 or $350? I want to say $300. Anyway, regardless of the amount, we get it every year and we like never spend it. The card just sits around. So we actually have a Visa gift card left from the prior Christmas. We did spend most of it. We have about $60 left on that. So we're actually going to take that and use that, I think, for gas. So that's less cash I'm going to need for gas. But this year they gave us cash instead of the gift card. And so, yeah, I just had that cash. I just put it right in the bank and boom. So perfect. So that is it. This was like a kind of short and weird little chatty one, but that's okay. I wanted to get that done because if I let money sit around for too long, I forget what it's for, where it's from, where it should be going, and all the things. So I just wanted to get that taken care of. But yes, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching till the end. I am so grateful that you're here. Let's see, I think this is going to air on Monday, so happy Monday, said no one ever. But it's Friday right now, and I'm going to Rainbow Kitten Surprise tomorrow, as I told you, and I'm so excited. So I hope you have a good weekend, even though you're seeing this after the weekend. But okay, I'll just be quiet now. I love you guys. I'll catch you in the next video.